Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Today I would like to welcome you to our new venture, TBC Detailing. I would like to take you behind the scenes and show you our paintwork correction and ceramic coat package. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So as you can see, the pre-wash stage is now complete, removing all the dirt and contaminants off the paintwork, ensuring that machine polishing can be at the highest standard possible. We're now going to dry the vehicle off and start on the interior valet in preparation of applying the interior protection package. Once that is done, we're then going to start masking the vehicle up, ready to get that Roots machine polisher gracing the panels. Depending on the condition of the paintwork, Danny would usually spend 2 to 4 days machining the car, going through all the different stages of compounds, removing any of the minor scratches, the swirls and the holograms on the paintwork. What we have as well is a paint depth gauge. So we test each panel so we know the depth of the paint, so we know how far we can go with the machine polisher. We don't want no trips over the road down to the body centre, to the paint shop. Once the paintwork is fully corrected and enhanced, we would then apply a touch-up paint into any minor little stone chips on the vehicle. Lucky enough, we have the Body Centre, our brother company over the road, where we can go down into the mixer and mix up the exact car colour of any car that we do, touch them in to take your eye off them nasty chips. So before we start applying the ceramic coating, we have to do one last wipe down using an IPA solution, removing any dust and any grease from the compound before we obviously apply that ceramic coating. When we apply the ceramic coating, we apply that in small areas to make sure that it's even throughout every single panel. Once that panel is coated, that's going to be repelling the water, not letting the dirt sink in, bird droppings again, not letting them sink in, fallout, it doesn't let anything stick to the car. And when you come to wash the car off, it's so much more easier. Now depending on what product you use, today we're using Matrix Black, which gives an 8-year protection. They range from sort of 2 to 10 years, depending what product you pick for your car. This procedure will also be taking place on the front and backs of the wheels and the calipers. We also apply the ceramic coating to the glass as well, which really helps in the rain. So, the ceramic coating is now complete. The gloss has been enhanced so much more. The car looks incredible. Massive thanks to Danny. An absolutely awesome job again. Danny's only been with us around about, how long did you say, Danny?
A month and a half.
About a month and a half. We've done many ceramic coats in that time, and every single one, he's impressed us massively. So thank you, Danny, who's behind the camera. Here he comes. So now the ceramic coating is complete. We're now going to go over and do a final inspection, ready to hand over to our customer. I'm going to do some water test videos as well to show you how that water does repel. Now, with this coating on, it does need to be maintained to get full maximum out of your ceramic coating. So we do supply a care package with each ceramic coat that we do. Let me show you some of the products. So we have a product here called Reload. Reload is the equivalent of your hand polish. Can't hand polish no more, now the ceramic coat's on. So Reload, give that a 9 months enhancement on the paintwork. It works with the ceramic, so yeah, it gives it another 9 months boost to bring that gloss back even more. Thank you, Danny. We also have some Duo Foam, which you can use as shampoo, and you can put it through a snow foamizer if you have one at home. And we also have a water spot remover for them little water spots you may get once your car's dry and once it's been dried, to go over that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Everything's gone to plan, as you can imagine. It looks awesome. So let's get to some clips now and show you some of the results from this ceramic coating. Thank you guys. guys, we're now at the end of the video. I hope you have really enjoyed this video we've made for you start to finish and have more of an understanding on how ceramic coating works and obviously the massive amount of prep work that goes into it. Obviously ceramic coating, repelling the water, not letting substances eat into your paintwork and making your car look glossy and brand new for a further 8 years. This is our first video from TBC Detailing. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe on all our social media pages. We'd really appreciate that to help our business grow. There's many more to come, so hit the bell button so you're first to see them. See you next time, guys.